All right, so for this in infix video, it's probably the last one, but the languages, as I said, get their own video because there is a weird kind of little thing that happens with them, right? And also some more morphological processes that I have to explain with the in infix again. So if you made it this far, this in infix, as you know, is one wacky infix, all right? Especially with the Cebuano language and other stuff. And it'll get crazier when I go on the end of this video. But keep in mind, right, the in infix in Cebuano, we want that harmony, that consonant vowel consonant harmony, etc., right, with the in infix because it's a vowel consonant. So we split a word from its consonant and vowel to get a consonant vowel consonant harmony kind of video, right? We want that. That's the goal. Anyway, for the languages, we can begin with the demonym, and from a demonym, we can get the language out of the demonym, right? For our first example of a demonym, we have Sugbuanon, right? Sugbu meaning Cebu, right? The city of Sugbu, right? Ang ciudad sa Sugbu, the city of Cebu. We added that anon ending, which we know as the likeness, right? So someone from Cebu is a Cebuano, also known as a Sugbuanon. And if we infix it with the in infix, we get Sinugbuanon, right? Again, split the consonant, get the vowel, right? Split the consonant, get that vowel. So now we have a consonant, vowel, right? Sinugbuanon. And then that means it's the Cebuano language, the Cebuano spoken language, right? The language from Cebu. Sinugbuanon, right? Aleman is a German person. Aleman, right? Someone from Germany. And if we infix it with the in infix, because Aleman starts with a vowel, we have to change the in infix to a in prefix. So the in changes to a prefix now, not an infix. Before the vowel, again, that consonant, vowel harmony, right? We have a vowel, consonant, etc., right? In Aleman is our word, which means the German language, right? German language. From German to German language, or German person to German language. Tagalog is the demonym for someone who is a Tagalog, right? Maybe they're from Manila or something like that, right? From Tagalog speaking lands. We infix it with the in infix and we get Tinagalog, right? And Tinagalog is the language, right? Tagalog is the person, Tinagalog is the language that the Tagalogs speak, right? So Tagalogs speak the Tinagalog language, if that makes sense, okay? Arabe, again, same thing with Aleman. Arabe is an Arab person. Arabe, someone who is an Arab or an Arab person. And what do Arabs speak? They speak Arabic. So, in Arabe. Espanol, right? Espanol is a Spaniard, someone from Spain. Espanol, a male actually, because if it was a female, it would be Española. Española would be a female from Spain, but in this case, it's a male, so a male from Spain and a male Spaniard, right? And what do male Spaniards speak from Spain? It's the Spanish language, in Español. The older word Catzila, right, which is still used, which means Spanish, right? Spanish, right? Catzila. And what do Spaniards speak? What do the Castilas speak, right? They speak, actually, it's Catzila, not Castilla, because Castilla is from Tagalog, but in Cebuano, Catzila is Spaniard. There's a morphological process that was called metathesis that happened here, where the T and the S switch spots, right? So the borrowed Spanish word was Castilla, right? Castilla. But in Cebuano, that consonant cluster, that st, was metathesized, morphological process, right, to Katsila, right, Katsila. And now we have the in infix with the ki, right, Kinatsila. And Kinatsila is a Spanish language. And lastly, our infamous Bisaya, right, Binisaya, right. Again, Bisaya, in infix it, Binisaya. Okay, down here is where I want to talk about the consonant vowel consonant harmony, because they're in Cebuano, as you know, consonant clusters are very rare. And consonant clusters mostly exist in borrowed foreign languages, like especially Spanish, okay? So borrowed Spanish words like prances, it's a consonant cluster. So we have a CCV sound, right? That CCV sound. And we want to change that consonant vowel to a consonant vowel harmony. How do we do that? You know, because we have to split the two consonants, p, r, right? The pa and the ra. And if we're going to split the pa and the ra, we have to insert a vowel in when we're going to infix it with the in infix or whatever other infixes we have in the Cebuano language, right? Because this rule follows that. So, prances, right? Prances, which is a Frenchman, right? Because prancesa is a French woman. So, prances is a Frenchman. And how do we get the language with that? We get pinarances, right? We had to split the two consonants, p, like the pa, and the ra, by adding an a. And why is it a? Well, the letter pa, right? The p is the letter pa. It's not the letter p, it's the letter pa, right? So there's a reason why you should never refer to the Cebuano letters in the alphabet as the English. Oh, that letter A, letter P, letter D, letter whatever, right? No. There's a reason why you need to refer to the letters of the alphabet in the Cebuano language as in Cebuano as letra pa, letra a, letra la, or ra, or sa, right? Because that end vowel ending, that last vowel that you hear, as in pa, ra, sa, that last vowel gives you a clue when to split the consonant cluster. In this case, with pinarances, which means the French language, pa and ra were split, right? Ra, not ra, okay? It's ra. So that pa took its a at the end of it, right? Because it's letra pa, which makes the p and the a sound, right? Pa, we split it and insert the in infix, pinarances, right? So now we get the French language, pinarances from prances, okay? There's a reason why you need to refer to the Cebuano alphabet in their Cebuano language, not the English, okay? So stop doing that. Otherwise, once again, you're going to be speaking Ceblish, and when you speak Ceblish, you look stupid, okay? So same with other words, right? So graduar it's not really a demonym, but it's the same concept with the consonant cluster. And with these consonant clusters, just watch, because there are exceptions. Graduar means to graduate, right? Graduar, right? Graduar. How do we insert an infix in there? Well, it's the same concept, but sometimes it's going to be a little difficult. So with the consonant vowel, we got to split the two consonants up so we can make it into this consonant vowel harmony. Consonant vowel consonant. How do we do that? Well, we split up, right? The ga and the ra were together from graduar, to graduate. But because ga ends in that open vowel, right? Ga, we added that open vowel and we inserted the in infix, right? Ginaradwar. Ginaradwar. Okay, so now this person had graduated, or something was going on with a graduation, okay? I don't know, but something was just going on. Ginaradwar. I'm just showing you this because this is an example for morphological process, okay? A lot of people still struggle with this. But Cebuano does this a lot with its affixes. So, ginaradwar. Now, sometimes when people speak, they don't like to have so many syllables like this. So sometimes they will delete the a and the ra, right? And what happens when we delete the a and the ra? We just get ginadwar, right? If we delete the a and the ra, right? These underlined a and ra, we just get ginadwar, right? Ginadwar. And that's fine. Okay, that's fine because we know that it was still graduar, even though we're not pronouncing the ra, we still get ginadwar, and we understand it to be the same word from graduate. Oh, someone graduated. Something had been graduating. Something was in the manner of graduation or graduating, right? So ginadwar is still the same as ginaradwar, okay? Again, it's just dialectal difference, people's preference of deleting it. As long as that I and N infix is heard, And as long as we have that consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, like pattern, right? Then it should be fine from pronouncing all of this, right? So ginaradwar or ginadwar, same thing. Pinarances, though, is just pinarances. Sorry. But again, key thing is to keep it with the consonant vowel consonant if you are going to be splitting up the consonant consonant vowel clusters. Okay, the consonant clusters